Despite having been a longtime GoPro user, the allure of competitors like the Insta360 ONE RS and DJI Osmo Action 4 often tempted me. The big question, can the GoPro HERO 12 Black truly surprise an old hand like me? Especially when whispers about its predecessor, the HERO 11 Black, made me wonder. Let's journey back in time for a moment. Action cameras have always seen massive leaps since GoPro established its stronghold. You shoot, and then you think. That's what Insta360's promise is. But GoPro? They've never strayed from their mission to deliver premium performance for true action aficionados. As I unpacked the HERO 12 Black, I was on a quest. How does GoPro continue to impress in an ever-evolving landscape? While the camera stays true to its lineage, it's the nuanced refinements that stood out, showing GoPro's dedication to modern content creators, including seasoned users like me. Here's where things get spicy. GoPro smartly priced the HERO 12 Black at an attractive $400. That's a cool $100 savings compared to its elder kin. Kudos to GoPro, more so because the specs haven't skyrocketed. At this price, it's ready to lock horns with the likes of DJI Osmo Action 4 and indeed Insta360 ONE RS. But there's an ace up its sleeve. For a mere $80 more, they bundle the revolutionary Max Lens Mod 2.0. Buying it solo? That's $100. Got a GoPro subscription? It's yours for $80. My seasoned advice? Grab that combo. With a Max Lens Mod 2.0, the HERO 12 Black offers an unmatched 177-degree field of view, something any GoPro veteran will appreciate. And hey, for the best deals on the HERO 12 Black, don't forget to check the links in the description. It's where the real treasure lies. Design nuances you didn't spot. Upon first glance, it's easy to say, hey, GoPro hasn't changed much in design. And you'd be right. The HERO 12 Black does mirror its predecessor, the HERO 11 Black, in terms of dimensions, weight, those sleek dual displays, and that robust construction. Same old, not quite. While the design might seem like a rehash, the HERO 12 Black isn't just about aesthetics. This little marvel endured a jostling journey in my backpack and emerged unscathed, a testament to its build quality. And with its soft touch finish, and it's almost as if the camera has a built-in shield, deflecting dust and smudges, always ready to go for its close-up. But here's where GoPro sprinkles in a little magic. A feature that, as a longtime camera enthusiast, I've come to appreciate, those two built-in prong mounts. No fussing with external cases like some of those other action cameras I've dabbled with. A small detail? Maybe. A lifesaver? Absolutely. Now for the piece de resistance. GoPro introduces a feature that for me is a game changer, the discreetly placed tripod mount at the base of the HERO 12 Black. Those familiar two-prong mounts are excellent for attaching to GoPro-specific gear. But that 1/4 inch 20 mounting thread, that's the giveaway to my world of camera accessories. It's a breeze connecting it to tripods, selfie sticks, and the array of equipment I've amassed over the years. It may have been a while coming, but this feature in my book is a standout. Other camera manufacturers, take note. This is the future, and it's here. Hidden gems and surprising shifts. If you were expecting a radical overhaul with the HERO 12 Black, well, GoPro's taken a different path this time. Yes, the specs may seem comfortably familiar, and while the tech aficionados amongst us might yearn for things like a larger sensor or an upgraded touchscreen, GoPro's play here is about utility and expanding its horizons. The HERO 12 Black is not just for the die-hard action camera enthusiasts anymore. It's eyeing a larger pie, looking to woo a more diverse audience, and it's doing so with a slew of new features. Here's a feature I'm super jazzed about: Bluetooth device support. Say goodbye to shelling out extra bucks for adapters or pricey wireless mic systems. I effortlessly synced up my Sony LinkBud S and even my AirPods, transforming them into wireless mics for the HERO 12 Black. Is it on par with high-end dedicated wireless systems? Maybe not. But when I'm a good distance from the camera, it's a massive upgrade from the built-in mics. The 8:7 image sensor on the HERO Black isn't just about numbers. It's GoPro's nod to the social media era, where vertical videos reign supreme. But here's the trick: no more fiddling to position your camera vertically. A simple mode change, and your HERO 12 captures vertical videos no matter its stance. A subtle tweak? but oh so convenient, saving me precious post-editing time. Lastly, for the pros in the room, GP log and LUTs, lookup tables. This might fly over the heads of the average user, but for a seasoned videographer like me, it's like unlocking a new realm. The power to fine-tune colors in post is immense, and with LUTs, achieving that perfect cinematic shade just became easier. In sum, the Hero 12 Black might seem like old wine in a new bottle, but pop the cork and there's a world of new flavors waiting inside. The hidden layers of performance. When we talk video quality, the Hero 12 Black nails it, offering rich dynamics and steadfast capture. With a high of 5.3K at 60 frames per second, it's perfect for both editors and those who prefer immediate sharing. Need dreamy slow-mo? You've got 2.7K at 240 frames per second. Imagine New York's vibrant streets, from artists crafting murals to electric bike rides. The Hero 12 Black manages these scenes brilliantly. Though in low light, a slight grain was noticeable, but which action camera doesn't have that small hiccup? Stabilization is a win, especially with the Max Lens Mode 2. It's expansive, making vlogs feel immersive without needing to stretch out your arm. Sure, there's some edge distortion, but GoPro offers a zoomed-in option for a snug frame. In a nutshell, Hero 12 Black's video prowess is top tier, save for a minor low light challenge. GoPro Hero 12 Black's battery mastery. While I've been hammering home the point that there's no grand spec upgrade here with the Hero 12 Black, there's a sneaky little surprise in the power department. On the surface, it might seem like deja vu, with the Hero 12 Black sporting the same 1720 mAh battery that graced the Hero 11 Black. But wait, there's a twist. GoPro promises that this latest iteration will keep the cameras rolling for double the time. How, you ask? Enter the revamped power management system. Take this into perspective. With the Hero 12 Black, you're looking at a potential 70-minute marathon, recording in 5.3K at 60 frames per second. In contrast, the Hero 11 Black can only sustain that for 35 minutes. Now, I'm yet to give this a rigorous, real-world test, but the early signs are promising. The camera's got a smart head on its shoulders. Without any nudging, it slips into power-saving mode, preserving that precious battery life. And when you're in the midst of action and you need to start recording ASAP, fear not. Even from a complete shutdown, the Hero 12 Black springs to life and starts recording in a brisk 8 seconds. No more missing out on spontaneous moments while waiting for your camera to wake up. GoPro's evolution? Staying true to its roots. From its debut in 2002, GoPro has been a trailblazer in the action camera arena. Decades have passed, yet at its core, GoPro remains consistent. While other brands zigzag through various design elements, GoPro stays true, refining the basics to perfection. The Hero 12 Black is a testament to this approach. It's a blend of nuanced tweaks and features that are not just significant, but transformative. Catering to contemporary content creators, it boasts a sweeping 177-degree field of view, ensuring those vertical videos are more immersive than ever before. Yet at its heart, it's also tailored for everyday users, effortlessly doubling as a practical video camera. Its prowess isn't limited to new features. The Hero 12 Black delivers a knockout punch with its unparalleled video quality, versatile shooting options, and silky stabilization that longtime GoPro aficionados have come to adore. While it doesn't attempt to reshape the mold, the Hero 12 Black perfects it. The cherry on top? It delivers all this brilliance at a price tag that's $100 lighter than its predecessor. In wrapping up, we've traveled through GoPro's transformative journey, all the way to the marvel that is the Hero 12 Black. If you found this deep dive helpful and enlightening, show some love by hitting that like button below. If you want to stay updated with more reviews, insights, and tech explorations, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. Your support fuels our passion to bring more content like this to you. Until next time, keep capturing those incredible moments.